go. She's just coming in. She has no clue what she's about to do.
Hey.
Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. How are you? Oh, look at that. And you're in the sun as well, getting the most Well, thank you for taking this call. What did you think about Supercharge Your Life? How did it help you?
It gave me more confidence in myself. You know, feeling my gut feeling, to trust my own gut more. You know, that's what it. I wrote it in the group as well. I did have some issues on Monday and yesterday because I started a new job, etc., etc., etc. So exciting things going on that distract you. You know?
Yeah. Oh, we have lots of distractions, yes.
So, but I'm always trying to get back. And what I do ever since Friday is when I get up and I go to the bathroom, I look in the mirror and I do my power move 3 times.
With all the stuff that we learned at Supercharge Your Life, how do you think those 3 days have impacted your life?
I think I can tell maybe in a few weeks if I stay with it, you know? If I stay with it, to see the impact grow, because it's a lot. I do have a lot of the, of the notes I took, and I do want to repeat them and, you know, for myself, visualize them. I'm a very visual person, so that's why I started this little mini book visual thing for me, for myself, to visualize what I've learned and to get it more better in my head. Yeah,
perfect. Because now, what we expose people to in those 3 days at the event, what you got exposed to in those 3 days, is a whole new way of living. And what now has to happen is it's got to get integrated. If it doesn't get integrated, people can stay on a high for like a month or so, but then the old life will start to come back. So that leads me to my next. What we do now with the advanced trainings is, you know, we take it deeper to help people keep that momentum going and going and going, and so they can get more momentum, not when they're in a hurry, but days of being focused. So I read your application. Tell me now, why did you want to win Breakthrough Mastery?
Can you ask the question again?
Yeah, I asked the question. Why to win Breakthrough Mastery? That's 3 days.
Why do I want to win that? Because I think it's even more intensive.
Breakthrough Mastery is virtual. It's online.
Oh, it's online. Okay. I think it's going to set everything more. You know what I mean? Like you said, we're just scratching at the bottom. We're just scratching.
Yeah.
And that will be a next step. And I have, for myself, have already implemented things, you know, in my head already. Like the name says, Breakthrough Mastery. How do you cope with a breakthrough? Yeah? You know, I had my breakdown, so to say, on Sunday. I think it will help me as well to master more things. You get what I mean?
Yeah. So what's something specific that you break through? What's an area of your life where you may have broken down and you really want to break through?
I think what this was my breakthrough was that I can rely on myself. Everything that has happened to me in the past years has taken everything I was holding on to. And the last thing that I was holding on to, my cat, died a few weeks ago. So I have absolutely nothing. And I think it will give me the confidence. Yeah, the confidence
the techniques, everything.
The confidence to rely on myself, that I don't need anyone from outside, that I have it all in me, and that it's really it's the confidence and that it's me I can count on.
I love it. Well, remember, Breakthrough Mastery was 4 events put together, so it's basically got £8,000 worth of value in those 3 days. I am very privileged to announce that you are
No!
Yay! Yes, you.
No!
Yes.
Just a second.
I love it. So you're going to be with us December 1, 2, and 3 at Breakthrough Mastery. I promise you this: when you come out. it's going to give you, because it isn't just the confidence. We can have the confidence but not know what to do. This is going to give insights, it's going to give you those visions, it's going to give you those downloads, it's going to give you exactly what's needed. You can do it and really like squeezing the juice out of a lemon. We're going to show you how to squeeze the most amount of life out of the game of life so that your frequency really continues to go up instead of it going. So
I think I've been here in the last days, you know, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
So this is a gift from the universe and it's a gift to you. So well done. And it's going to be an honor taking you through those 3 days.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. And well done.
Thank you. Thank you, universe.
The universe is abundant. The universe gives us these gifts every now and again. So honor the fact that the universe has given you this beautiful gift simply because beautiful heart and soul. So well done.
Thank you.
And have an amazing day.
Thank you. Same to you too. Safe trip.
Thank you so much.